Okay. The minimum is a tamana o few on.
One few years.
And some kitten kitty.
Okay.
And on the Ghana and rich. And pay for no pay more.
They are the business aspect. Not
get it. They will not look at
I think Upobia will name the Bechem team.
Yes. Easily, he should come back. Easily, he should come back.
Because Bechem team no more struggle. To coach will new team now.
Okay.
Yes, now time and nature because time and nature. Them say Bechem for be fun in them.
I'm say.
I know how much drama All Blacks for no. I found but All Blacks for us more game. Both head coach video analysis now. We now have to use.
But I said coaching a video analysis in the buy. And TB on mobile and Ghana weather no. Okay. Also reasons why you part ways with Obidi. But yeah, one team say yeah. Jumana number say mujai. Sure. And I'm mujai. And that is a big one.
Time ninti Samba Oneil contract extension buhaha no. Bebe say customer for the Makumasa Sante Korokona Kasa. HHM the mines. They say Samba no. Because any attitude is a branch on a tough time. If the demands now or demand from Kotoko now, I had because I got 6 months. I will a year in the contract. No, so lawyer Safuduku Square at HM say, I know Mujina Kotoko, Timia convince a branch. No, I'm always sending the contract. The Kotoko, and now still now a branch into because we understand that oh, suitors be South Africa, Tanzania, Libya. Any country baby teams in the air per branch no. Yentelo Safuduku on Abranti offense Samba Oneil and Dongani the contract extension no.
So those stories are some of the usual rumors because as I speak to you now, we haven't received any such offers as being speculated. As we have always indicated, the contracts between Kotoko and Samba expires at the end of the season. And so we are making frantic efforts to renew his contracts. About 4 days or so ago, we sent a new proposal to Samba and his team. So we await their response. Well, looking at how long it has traveled, because we started this conversation almost a year ago, it appears to us that it's becoming difficult for the player to renew his contracts. But you keep on pressing with the hope that you have a change of mind because he feels that he would want to continue somewhere. We are also positioning that he remains with us. And so if you consider how long the conversation has traveled to, very frank that it doesn't look all that positive for us, even though that's not ruled out the possibility of him continuing staying with us.
Okay. And the customer for the man Kumasi Asante Koro lawyer Safuduku and HHM and Ayala so tie lawyer. I say I drag you to 1 year back and forth sir.
Yeah.
Me sign mama me say okay bra for my we ni betimi atua o say there be mama me say sa fe dey o the fresh offer akoto abranti o mu hwanim say obetimi assign. And I want to say 1 year they say player twitching now obvious.
Is it rich? Nekura was even say. Abranti friend Samba Oneil on sign contract.
1 year there.
But we say Ojina crossroad. Or share the time I would do Kotoko na. Or appreciate it say I was Kotoko nya bibi. Efri ne ho ansa na wako. But sa ni tirimu pono on pese rich and also so ebe overturning the tables na Kotoko mum abenya like strong hands on decisions no. So how do you do it? Enke wa over so hoko ba opese Kotoko nya bibi Nemu no umpesi say ube sign contract extension abra Kotoko meet financial demands because unim say the moment you sign contract extension even with clauses say oh may sign club bia bia no monton mamenkwa you know the moment ube sign contract na only Kotoko be contract no e mum enya upper hand on the negotiations with you. That is where assembly now. me projection baby as me kwa wie yehu bebre in Ghana football where players be person omoko na so no omo dwene club omo film wa akọ se ebere na manya kakra impempi rich esi bako they wait contract ni be wie omoko sign contract no for baby omoko no sika na omo nsabeka no mati bi aba club no me use somebody as an be
no for ube Chelsea player 1 year you be sign back and forth.
That's what I'm saying.
It's so obvious.
Oh, Papa Stan go bet now. But enoma mi no.
Mumi tini demand.
Kotoko sika sam.
Nkui.
Entimi emmiti abranti any demands na o no. And number 2. Rich. Asem mi na to some mentia. But me also ohunu ho say he needs to be playing for a club. The ambitions in the wasru. Consistent or Africa or group stages of the Confederations Cup and as a Champions League and I even am on it in Europe. Sa no money me no say sika and it's ambition no. Kotoko come meet it. Now baby I make catch up Kotoko for any all football fans and they say Rich what observe here. Play me contract be very pe ni afa calculator. Player no yes you aboa no. Also otimi enya no ho bibi. You see? Why don't we do that analysis when we are picking these players for free? Yantomo, Samba Kotoko Tony Free Club. Yantono, Oba for free. And over 2 years, Rich, as soon as Samba, Aba Sum Kotoko. In the last 2 years, Africa need domestic league in Yadi. Sebi will be offering a free day. I would need to salary. So he has also, like, also didn't.
Or pay back.
Exactly. And the baby do oh, that moral argument gidi no. Maybe they have already told you. The guy will wait. Offers be one in India on him. He will go sign contracts. Take the money. And come and give Kotoko Bibi.
Okay, eventually, Rana, I am at what we did so